Yo, what's going on, guys? Jay Cobb here, and in this video I want to share with you guys the best ways to make money online as a beginner. Now, if this is your first time to any of my videos, my name is Jermaine Cobbins, online and network marketer, and my goal is to show people how to build their brand and business using the power of social media. So do me a favor, guys, and be sure to pound that thumbs up button, all right? Also, guys, if you get anything from this video, man, be sure to let me know in the comments. Give this video a share. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel for up-and-coming videos and things like that, all right? Before we dive into the content, quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is not financial advice. It's only for education and entertainment purposes, okay? So, the information in this video does not guarantee your success. Your success is solely dependent on your efforts and your consistency. Got it? All right, got that shit out the way. So, let's dive into the content, guys. So, in this video, like I stated, I want to share with you guys the best ways to make money online as a beginner. If you're watching this video as a beginner, guys, just understand that it's gonna take some patience. Now, if you don't have the patience to watch this video in its entirety, then more than likely you're not gonna have the patience to endure and learn how to make money online, okay? So just understand that it is a patience game, but what I've learned how to do is basically shorten that learning curve and really get people into profit way faster, all right? But in this video, guys, I wanna specifically talk about 3 things when it comes to making money, all right? I want to talk about daily income, I want to talk about passive income, and I want to talk about residual income. And in this video, guys, I'm going to share with you guys 3 things that I do that brings me daily income, brings me passive income, and brings me residual income, yes, online, all right? Understand this, guys. When it comes to making money online as a beginner, yes, like I stated, there is some patience involved. Yes, there is a little bit of a learning curve involved, all right? And you got to get your mind in the right place. Without going into all that, because I have other videos, you know, on mindset and things like that, I want to focus on the things that you can start doing as early as today to start generating some income and position yourself for, you know, daily income, passive income, and residual income. Everything that I'm about to mention in this video, guys, the links will be in the description, as well as ways to reach out to me personally, okay? So if you have any questions, concern, you can shoot me a message, whatever the case may be. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into it, all right? So we're talking about making money online, all right? I like to start with a daily pay opportunity. So number 1 is a daily pay opportunity. Guys, you need to have a daily pay opportunity in your arsenal, okay? Yes, there are a ton of daily pay opportunities out there, all right? Pick your poison. Personally, I use a digital product, all right, because I don't have to so much worry about any type of overhead or anything like that. I like digital products, guys, and I currently been promoting a daily pay opportunity now probably about 8 months, and I like it. At the time of this video, I like it, all right? What I like about it, guys, is that, first of all, they're always improving the actual website. They're improving the products. I don't see this actual opportunity changing the way that they are structured, right? And what I mean by that, guys, is that when you come into a daily pay opportunity, first of all, as a beginner marketer, you know, a lot of times people are already doing some network marketing, or maybe they are dead broke. So the idea is maybe your overhead, maybe you have money already coming out, or maybe you have very little money to work with. So the idea is you want to keep that cost low. The reason why I like my daily pay opportunity, because it's a one-time investment. There are no monthly fees, and there are no physical products. Just doing that, guys, the idea is that when you actually get in the game, you're in the game. And let's say you don't promote this thing for 90 days. Once you're in, it's not where it's going to keep charging your card, and, you know, one day you look up and you look in your account and it's in negative, right? Because you kind of forgot about this program. So I like that aspect of the one that I'm actually promoting right now, which the link will be in the description below. Another thing is this, you know, you have daily expenses, okay? Whether it's food, gas, it doesn't matter. So having that daily pay opportunity to kind of offset some of those daily expenses, guys, it's really a game changer. And maybe, you know, if you are really serious about your marketing, maybe you are buying books, maybe you're buying courses, this little daily pay opportunity a couple times per day, a couple of times per week, it does, you know, make a difference in your income. And what it does also is it it heightens your belief system around making money online. All right. What I also like, guys, is that it's user friendly, meaning a beginner can do this and not have that worry of a confusing back office. So your back office is basically where you log in and you have all your information. You can keep track of your leads. You have all your different links, all that stuff. So I like the fact that it's user friendly. I very seldom have people that reach out to me and say, Jermaine, well, I don't know what this means. It's training in the back office. It's designed to where, it doesn't really create that overwhelm. And yes, overwhelm will happen, but having programs and being part of things that literally help you to keep your cool, it works, guys. And on top of this, what I've done, I structured a Facebook group around this program. And that's all we talk about is the business itself and how to become a better marketer, right? So my group is not where it's saturated with all kind of different business opportunities and people are pitching people. It's real professional, it's step by step, and it's basically set up in a way where you can add new people to this group and basically get them started without the stress of them reaching out to you and say, okay, what do I need to do next? So keep in mind, guys, the link to all of that is in the description below. And we're moving on, all right? The second thing is having a passive income opportunity, okay? So passive income, when it comes to online, it takes a little while to kind of build some passive income, okay? It's not quite like real estate, right? Where you have this big overhead going in, things like that. I found the way, guys, where basically the same thing. Your overhead is low, your cost is low, your barrier to entry is very low, and you're able to get into profits way quicker. Now, quick disclaimer, it did take about a month and a half or so to really make my first commission with this, but yet ever since that first commission, I've been making money monthly with a simple little step-by-step process that I basically do each and every week. And the cool thing is it allowed me to also hire my son to help with this, and that's a direct mailing opportunity. Okay, I bet you're like, what? Direct mailing? Like, yeah, direct mailing is a thing in 2019, guys, and very lucrative. Okay, I have a link below to the actual mailing program that I'm part of, guys. Amazing opportunity. What I like about it is this, you have a lot of direct mailing opportunities out there. But what I like is the fact that not only are you getting cash, but you're also getting stamps received in the mail. Now you think like, why do stamps matter? Because you have to pay for stamps. Like at the time of this video, for myself, a book of stamps around about 11 bucks, okay? But once I get cash in, I'm actually getting stamps along with my cash that helps offset my mailing that I have going out. And you will get to a point to where you're basically getting enough stamps in to where you won't even have to buy stamps. So that's a pretty cool thing. So I haven't seen any other mailing program at the time of this video that's out there where you're actually getting cash in stamps. So the link to that, information and things like that will be in the comments below. When I mention passive income, guys, you get people that join you, okay? That's your direct sales. But when people join the people under you, you're actually getting that passive income. So what happens is as you build out your personal enrollments, those people end up doing the same thing. And now you're able to get passive income from work that you probably don't even be doing anymore. So you can get enough letters out there. You can get enough people on your team where you're not even mailing letters anymore. But as it goes on, you're actually getting that passive income from people that's getting started from something that you've done, 6 months ago or a year ago. So very, very lucrative, man. All right. And the final thing, guys, is that you want to have a digital system. Think about it. Right now, more and more people are trying to start online businesses. People are trying to make money from home. What people are also doing is that they're messing up. They're driving people to their company replicated site. They're driving people straight to a buy now page. And what's happening, guys, is that they're losing track of these people that's landing on their page and not buying. So you want to have things like different offers. You want to have capture pages. You want to have funnels at some point during your career, right? You may want to start doing webinars. So having a digital system that not only that you can use yourself like I have myself, I use my digital system with my daily pay program. I use my digital system with my mailing business. Also, I promote that mailing system to other marketers that's just getting started, and I coach them on how to set up offers and set up their actual membership site for those that want to get into coaching and things like that. So the idea, guys, is having that digital system. Well, the holy grail of this is that that's your residual income. As people use this system, they are paying a small monthly fee, basically for all of this, because all these things I named, guys, you can easily get into the hundreds of dollars per month for a system like this. Well, the system that I offer at the time of this video is literally less than $100, okay? Also, there's a 7-day trial free attached to it. So if you decide you want to try it out, the link will be in the description, and you do not have to enter your credit card information, okay? So that's pretty cool too, because you get to, see the power of this actual system, yet you don't have to have that fear of, is this thing going to charge my credit card at the end of 7 days? I'll say about 80% of the people that opt in and take a look at this, system and take that 7-day trial, they actually stick with this program because it's so much power, it's so much leverage, guys, and it's something that you're going to need. So just a quick recap, man. The first thing you want to have is a daily pay opportunity. Second thing you want to have is a passive income opportunity. And the third thing is that you want to have some type of residual, opportunity in your arsenal, guys. And of course, if you watch this video, you know that I have all three. I would love to partner with you guys. And yes, this doesn't matter if you are already a part of MLM or whatever the case may be. You can still do all three of these, guys, along with whatever you're doing. All right. So look, man, if you guys got value, man, do me a favor. All right. Pound that thumbs up button. Be sure to leave a comment, share this thing out, and hell, don't forget to subscribe, all right? So let me know if I can help you guys with anything, man. I hope you guys got value. I will see you guys on the internet. It's your boy, J. Cobb. Be humble, be consistent, be you. Hey, guys, thanks for watching. For more tips and trainings just like this, head over to JermaineCobbins.com. Don't forget to download your free resource in the description. Also, leave a comment. I would love to hear your feedback. Like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe.